Chapter 1, Introduction. Welcome to our video on the Study Game Plan, Step-by-Step Guide to Success. In today's fast-paced world, students are facing increasing pressure to perform well in their studies. However, many struggle to find an effective study strategy that works for them. That's why we have put together this comprehensive guide to help you achieve success in your academic pursuits. So without further ado, let's dive into the first step of our study game plan. Chapter 2, Setting Goals. The first step towards success is to set clear and achievable goals. By having a clear vision of what you want to achieve, you'll be able to stay motivated and focused throughout your studies. Start by identifying your long-term goals, such as getting into your dream college or graduating with honors. Then break them down into smaller, actionable steps that you can work on daily. Remember to make your goals specific, measurable, and time-bound for better clarity and motivation. Chapter 3, Time Management. Time is a precious resource, especially for students juggling various activities. Developing good time management skills is crucial to achieving success in your studies. Start by creating a study schedule and sticking to it. Set aside dedicated blocks of time for studying, with breaks in between. Avoid procrastination and distractions, such as social media, during your study time. Utilize technology, such as study apps, to help you stay organized and on track. Chapter 4, Effective Note-Taking. Taking notes is an essential part of studying. However, note-taking is a skill that needs to be honed for maximum effectiveness. When taking notes, focus on key concepts, definitions, and examples. Use abbreviations and symbols to save time and space. Organize your notes in a way that makes sense to you, whether it's by using charts, diagrams, or bullet points. Review and summarize your notes regularly to reinforce your understanding of the material. Chapter 5, Active Learning. Passive learning, such as reading and listening, can only take you so far. To truly understand and retain information, you need to engage in active learning. This involves techniques like practicing problems, teaching the material to others, and participating in group discussions and debates. Active learning not only helps you understand the material better, but also makes studying more interesting and enjoyable. Chapter 6, Study Environment. Your study environment plays a significant role in your studying success. Choose a quiet, comfortable, and well-lit space that is free from distractions. This could be a quiet corner in your home or a study room at the library. Make sure you have all the necessary materials, such as textbooks and study guides, within reach. Experiment with different study environments to find what works best for you. Chapter 7, Test-Taking Strategies. Tests and exams can be nerve-wracking, but with the right strategies, you can ace them with confidence. Start by familiarizing yourself with the exam format and content. Study actively, review your notes, and take practice tests to prepare. During the exam, read the questions carefully and manage your time effectively. And remember to stay calm and focused. Chapter 8, Seeking Help. No matter how prepared you are, there may be times when you need additional help. Don't be afraid to seek help from your teachers, tutors, or classmates. They can provide you with valuable insights and resources to improve your understanding of the material. Also, don't hesitate to seek help for any personal or emotional issues that may be affecting your studies. Chapter 9, Continuous Improvement. Finally, achieving success in your studies is an ongoing process. Don't become complacent after achieving one goal. Strive to continuously improve and set new goals for yourself. Be open to feedback and learn from your mistakes. With a growth mindset and a never-give-up attitude, you'll be sure to achieve success in your academic pursuits. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive study game plan to guide you towards success. Remember to set clear goals. Manage your time effectively. Take effective notes. Engage in active learning. Create an ideal study environment. Use effective test-taking strategies. Seek help when needed. And continuously strive for improvement. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your academic goals and pave the way for a successful future. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey to success. If you liked this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update, and press the like button. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.